I did have 30 kilowatts of solar up there that was of, in my opinion, of poor quality, and the installation wasn't done correctly, and we actually had 2 fires as a result of it. We were very lucky that we were on site when that happened. When we started to look at improving our process in solar, we looked at an opportunity where we could look at bulk buying solar, where we could bring a greater benefit to people within our industry and our neighbours. From there we started talking about cluster buying solar, and we had a number of companies present to us, and we also had independent advice from somebody totally independent about what was going to be the best solar panels to use and the equipment. And also installation was really important to us for that ongoing security of warranty and anything else that would come about if there was, and we felt that dealing with a local company was certainly the way to go. Again, we got independent advice on panelling and top tier panels, so that ongoing warranty and local was really important to us.